let's see here. So we are at this here red barn, the round barn, the Arcadia round barn we are at. And I only have about 10 minutes left on this here free admission, gift shop open daily, parking in rear. Well, we parked out at the front here. So let's see. Looks like we got a couple of flags up there. It's pretty neat, huh? They do a good job keeping it up, that's for sure. Okay. So let's see. What do these interesting signs say? Howdy. How you doing today?
Pretty good. Welcome to the round barn.
Thank you. Ooh, that wind today is getting me.
Yep. Yeah, I worry about the grass and everything. It's all going crazy, but hopefully it'll just calm down.
Well, it looks like you're doing a good job of keeping it up out there. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. And how long has this been here?
This particular building started back at about right here with Mr. Oder
Okay.
and his wife, and he was the first one to build this. And then about 100 years later, it's on that sign out there.
Oh, okay. So
When you go upstairs, you'll see that there's been a lot of advances.
okay, over the hill
Rick
again.
Robeson, yeah, he's the one that did
Okay.
the second that you'll see upstairs.
Very nice. Very nice. Oh wow, look at these.
I kind of hang out here because there's a lot of music. There's a guy named Joe Baxter who's got over 150 musicians, so usually at least once or twice a week I
Oh, really?
see good music from
very
all
nice.
over, yeah,
Please
from all over Oklahoma.
in your state. Well, all right. Let's go ahead and do that. What color pin should we pick? How about blue for Betty Blue? And we will pick it. Well, there's Boston.
Sit there and pick the bluegrass right there.
Right about there. Yeah.
Right. We
Okay.
had about 8 guys here yesterday. That was pretty cool.
Yeah. Well, that's neat.
And it's funny too because there's a church here, and then there's over there's another thing, and those ladies figured out where the music came from, and they were just totally blown away. They said, "Oh, I can't believe."
Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Well, here we go. So, Route 66 signs. So you probably get folks from all over in here, huh?
Yep.
Nice. Very nice. All right, 1906. Arcadia, 1906. Oh, that sun. Oh, I think we might be losing power any minute. All right. More cracks.
Yeah,
And what was this?
bricks from all over the place?
Are
here. Yeah. I don't know if you saw all those bricks that you walked out there,
I
but they
did
all
not.
have things written on them.
Oh, do they?
Yeah.
And what was this used for?
I guess just for hay and things on the bottom, and then on the top they had a lot of social gatherings. You know, they go up and dance.
Oh, so it wasn't used for like a silo or for that?
Yeah, not to my knowledge.
No.
There's a picture of that guy over there Magic Sam over here, he's about in his 80s now. I don't know if he comes out too much anymore, but he's the best dancer I have ever seen in my life.
Oh, really?
And he survived three wives.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Wow. That's
Definitely, I got a couple recordings on my little machine, so
yeah.
I have to go back and check those out.
Oh, what was that? The back.
He's one of those Landrin guys.
They do dances up here and whatnot.
Yeah.
This is kind of neat. It's all open. Yeah, look at that up there. Oh, you know that leaks when it rains. Oh, that is neat.
Yeah, I've never filled with rain here. You can see there's a couple of fills underneath it.
Yeah, it doesn't leak?
Not that I've noticed. I mean, you might see a drop or two.
Oh, okay. Look out this window here. I think I'm running out of space. That's kind of cool. Nice little view out there. Let's go look that way. Huh. And how long have you been, do you work here or you volunteer here? Yeah? How long you been, how long, oh yeah. And how long?
I've been doing it for 2 years.
2 years? Nice. That's a pretty neat place you got here, that's for sure. Oh.
I thought I'd be a country person because I was, the actor.